Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be using my beautiful sister as my model of the day. So let's get started. First I'm going to prep her skin. So the first primer I'm going to be using is from Adventures. So I'm going to concentrate on her nose because she's really very oily here. You can see that matte effect. You can see all that shine is gone. It has been eliminated to some extent. Focus. So now moving on to the brows, I'm going to be using this brow tamer. To conceal her under eyes, I'm going to be mixing these two concealers together to get her shade. Upper part of the brow, I'm going to be using this shade from ZK Cosmetics, this foundation from ZK Cosmetics in the shade 030. After which I'll go in with this blending brush to kind of like blend it together. So I'm going in with my hands just to make the inner corner seamless. So I'm just going to use this palette from ZK to set. Just going to use this shade right here. So I'm going to go in with this brown shade here. Just to make here a little more, the outer V a little more darker, I'm going to go in with this dark shade. I'm going in with the first brown shade. So I'm going to use it on the crease, then work my way to the front while I'm blending it. Just going back and forth, building that same brown color. So after I'm done with the first color, I'm going to go in with the second color, the second darkest brown, to make it even more darker, especially at the outer corner of the eyes. So after I'm done, I'm going to go in with the dark shade, the black shade at the outer corner. Okay, when I'm done, I'll go in with the first shade just to blend everything together with the first shade of brown. So So after that, I'm going to go in with this twinkle pigment. To use it, I'm just going to sprinkle setting spray on my brush, then dab it on it. So next, I'm going to line under the eyes. So with a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to blend it in. Okay, I don't have an exact shade of concealer, but I'm just gonna use this one right here. I'll try to blend it out as much as I can. I know it's a little bit light, that's why I just use a drop of it. Can you look up? So I'm going to go in with a little bit of the foundation that I used on her, just to tame it a little bit. Under eyes, I'm going to be mixing red and black eyeshadow. I'm going to be mixing this red and this black. For highlight, I'm using the nude glow palette. So for her lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick from Ever Beauty. Hold it down.